Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add horizontal scrolling to your website using Elementor Pro. It only takes a couple of minutes to do, so like and subscribe and let's get into the video. Hi guys, so the first thing we're going to need to do is click on the plus key in the middle of the page and create a new section. Now you want to duplicate the section and we're going to start editing it. The first thing we're going to change is the content width to full width. Now we're going to change the section height to fit to screen. We're now going to need to go into the Advanced tab and click in CSS classes and type in section. Once that's done, we're going to duplicate this section 3 times. And this is going to save us time later in the video. You can add more, but for the purpose of the video, I'm going to just add 3. Now we need to start adding our text and widgets. The first thing I'm going to add is our heading, and I'm going to click on the Style tab and change the color of our text to white so it's easier to read. Once that's been changed, I'm going to head back over to our widgets and drag in a text box. Again, I'm going to go back into Style, click on the color picker and change our text to white. Finally, on this section, I'm going to drag in a button. I'm going to change the color of our text in our button to black. Again, by clicking on the color picker and selecting black. That's all I'm going to add to this section, but you can obviously add more. I'm going to start editing now our second section. And I'm going to start by changing our background color for our section. And I'm going to click on the color picker, and this time I'm going to select a yellow. Like in our previous section, I will be adding a title, some text, and I'll be adding a button. So I'm going to start off by adding our header, and this time we won't need to change the text color because it's automatically set at black. Now I'm going to add our text widget. And once that's done, I'm going to head straight back over and add in our button. And I will have to change the color of the text to black. So I don't bore you too much whilst watching this video, I will be speeding up the editing of the final section. If you are finding this video useful, please do hit the like and subscribe button. Now that we've finished editing our sections, we're going to head back up to the top of our page. And in the first section that we created, we're going to add in a HTML widget. And all we need to do is go back into our widgets and in the search bar type in HTML and drag in the widget into our section. In the HTML box on the left hand side, we're going to have to type in style in angled quotations and paste in our code. If YouTube lets me, I will leave the full code in the description below, so you won't have to type in style. If it doesn't let me, then I will leave the code in a link on my website, which you'll also be able to find in the description below. All that's left to do is update or publish our page and click on the preview button. Now if we scroll up and down on our mouse, it will move across the page. I could only get this to work in Elementor Pro, so if you don't have a copy, then there is a link in the description below. It is an affiliate link, it doesn't cost you any more to use, but it does give me a very small percentage of Elementor's profits if you choose to buy. Thanks for watching guys, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.